Hey everybody, today we're going to go over with you how to install your walk-through ornament arch. But first, let's take a quick second and go over all the parts that you're going to get in your install kit to be able to put this together. You're going to get 6 bolts and 6 nuts, and you're going to need a cordless drill with a 1/2-inch short-well socket, and that's all it's going to take to put it together. Alright, so when you unbox your walk-through ornament arch, you're going to organize it like you see here. Get your base plates set down as you see here, and then get all the parts lined up together. And it's very important that you match up the colors on the light strings on each piece. So for example, this is a red dot, this is a red dot, so this is going to be your matching pair here, and then it's going to be the same on the other side with a green and a green. Okay. Alright, so when we get ready to put it together, we're going to connect our male and female halves together and just lock down your coupling connector here. Then make sure your wire stays on the inside, and we're just going to line it up. Bolt it together on this side, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to go ahead and connect our male and female halves. Tighten down our coupling connector. On the inside and just line it up. And tighten her down. Alright, so once we got the top bolts in, what we're going to do is just barely lift it up to keep it from twisting so bad and get the bolts through on the bottom side. To keep it from twisting when you're trying to get this bolt in on the bottom side is just to pick up on the top, the middle section here. Don't try to pick up both pieces, else it's going to twist on you. But if you pick it up like this, you can get your bolt in and get it through. When you get ready to stand your piece up, you're going to want to put your base plates approximately 104 inches apart, and you might have to make a few adjustments once you get it up, but that'll get you close. Alright, you have your piece of angle here, and you have your plate that matches it on the back side here. What you want to do is you're just going to have to pull it over. You just want to line those bolt holes up. Alright, once you got it lined up on your base plates, all you have to do is take your bolt, the nut's already welded onto the base plate, so just going to attach that now. Alright, so once you get it stood up, bolted to your base plates, you're just going to need to hook your power supply lead into your lights. And so, tighten up your coupling connector. Just plug it into your power cord. And just make sure everything's like you need it to be. We've also included tile points on both sides of the walk-through arch. That way you can guide off to whatever surface or whatever landscape that you're working at. Alright, so here you go. You got it put together. You know, with a couple of guys, this should take you 15 to 20 minutes to install, and you should be good to go.